Rock talaga siya, ah.
It's rock? Lahat magbi-build up to something, tas biglang, tapos na. Maybe
In
it's
a music
not for
sense.
me. It's not for me.
It's not- Ayan na yung R&B mo.
Parang ito na yung hinahanap kong yung onting something na sexy voice. Sige. Okay, hindi ko rin siya nagustuhan. Right off the bat.
So recap, ito yung mga rating namin sa mga tracks. Nandito sila. Tcharing! Ay! Ang galing! Hey guys! Welcome back to the 2K BFF channel. I'm si James Matthew.
And I'm MC JM.
And today, so guys, we're in our best Ken costume. Okay nga siya pag. So, ayan, without further ado, papakinggan natin ang yung Complex EP
Complex EP.
ni Ken.
I'm excited to hear what he has to say about our relationship.
About sa inyo
I
wala
heard
ba?
it was about me.
Okay.
I haven't heard that. Pero pakinggan natin kung
Tungkol saan siya.
kung tungkol sa amin.
Okay, sige.
Ay,
So without further ado, let's listen to his first EP, The Complex EP. This will be a two-part series na papakinggan namin ng dalawang album ni Ken for his birthday. So without further ado, let's listen.
let's listen to the song here in my heart. What you talking about?
Hey.
A rap star?
Ay, ang baba ng boses! Ang lalim, no?
Hindi ko kaya. It's so low.
Ang lalim, no?
Oh my gosh! Ken Suson!
Ay.
Ang lalim ng boses.
Lalim nga ng boses eh, parang pa-bass na eh.
Parang magbe-burp.
Papunta na dun, no?
Hindi ko masyado siya marinig ha.
Oo, ang lalim nga ng boses kasi. Pero it's a 1 minute and 48 song. Okay, let's listen.
Maikli lang.
Oh, I'm on the stage to Crazy Don't Blink.
Parang
Hey.
parang may kampana sound. Get out of the way.
Ang galing!
Sobrang baba.
Baba nga eh. I'm a rockstar. Ay, ang haba
Ay.
na outro! Okay, interlude, let's go!
It's
Hey.
giving, it's giving
Hey.
hip hop album.
Yeah! Yeah!
Ah!
Nasanay sa ako production SB19. Wow!
That was written by
Wait lang.
Pablo.
Mali!
Si Ken yung writer ha. May pinapatunayan siya sa pagsusulat ha.
Yeah!
Sabi niya, I'ma write this whole song by myself.
I'm a writer star. Ang ganda, no?
That low voice.
Can I just say something?
Can I just say something crazy? Diba? Parang ano siya, setting the mood.
Yeah.
Hindi siya super upbeat.
Super.
Hindi siya super, basta parang, napaabang ako. I'm excited.
Ako, grabe, first track, I really hear the influence. Ang ganda nung sound niya. Parang he really thought of the sound na meron siya. And parang after watching his story, kasi nga nung birthday niya, if you haven't watched our birthday celebration for Ken, panoorin niyo na dito. Nag-plug pa rin. Pero ayun, coming from a small town in Mindanao, and to have this kind of sound na sobrang strong ng influences, sobrang parang fully formed yung sound niya. And ayun, grabe props. He's really a rock star.
So if you guys are new to our channel, lagi kami nagre-rate ng songs ng fail, soft pass,
Pass and excellent!
so may 5 metrics tayo. And for this song, I would rate it a
Pass.
a pass.
Okay,
Next song is called
Next song is called Rockstar.
Rap.
Yung next song is Star City.
Next
Ay!
song, Okay, meron tayong naririnig na... Ay!
Rock talaga siya, ah.
It's rock? Oh my God. Vocal fry siya dyan, ha? Oh my gosh.
Grabe!
Ang grabe. Ang sexy ng voice. I'm hypnotized. Parang ako na-hypnotize. Ang lalim ng boses!
Brah!
Ang galing ah, ano siya, parang hip-hop rap.
Totoo.
I can't say na hindi ko siya in-expect kasi parang ganito nga yung vibe niya.
Parang iba yung kumanta, no?
Ang dami niya nagagawa sa boses niya, te.
Totoo.
Ay! Nagbibisaya!
Oh my gosh!
Yay!
Ang ganda ng boses, ah!
Ay! 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 Ay!
Ganyan pala yung repeat, repayay. Alam niya! Mama to.
Lagi niya sinasabi na rockstar siya, ha? Rockstar, rockstar.
Eh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You wish you can be me. Ang ganda ng boses! Oh my gosh!
Okay, goods.
Okay, goods.
Wait, I don't know what to say.
Superiority is the second track coming from his clothing brand, The Superior Son, which
Meron
means
siyang ganung ano.
son. So, superiority.
Ah!
Diba may clothing brand siya? So anyways, what
Ako,
can you say?
feeling ko, it's too similar sa first...
Sa first track,
Kasi yung lyrics din. Diba? I'm a rockstar, I'm a rap star, you wanna be me. Parang same siya lyrically, tapos parang kadugtong siya ng song number
Yeah.
1. Siguro feeling ko isang song lang, tapos sabi niya, ay sige, hiwalay natin na track.
Kasi intro niya yung track 1 eh, for
Oo.
it to be 1 minute and 48 seconds.
Saka parang ano siya, suspense, may suspense siya, pero parang wala siyang,
Wala siya
walang pasabog, oo.
Gets.
I
I
don't
see
know,
that.
parang it's too similar to track 1 for me. I'm a Ken Susun fan, pero ewan ko, parang I would give this a soft fail.
Oh.
I'm so sorry, Ken! Parang track 1.
Parang track 1 sa'yo. Ako, I like it. Kasi yung parang yung track 1 is just an intro eh.
Okay.
So parang doon para intended lang talaga sa album. It's like Billie Eilish yung puro exclamation point. So it's only intended to be the album. It's meant to be an introduction. I think this Superiority parang single ata siya. But anyways, I loved it. Sobrang dami nagawa ni Ken sa boses niya. I really like the part na bigla siyang lahat ng parts na narinig natin simula is all mababa. Tapos bigla sa second verse, nag-R&B siya. Which napakita niya yung hindi lang siya rockstar. Ganun pala yung ano doon, basa doon. Ayun, I really like this track kasi yung lyrics din na sinasabi niya na yung mama niya, sinabihan siya na magiging rockstar siya. And coming from his roots, knowing his story, na galing siya sa isang maliit na probinsya sa Mindanao. And sa Manila talaga yung music scene, but he really planted who he is with his first EP. And I liked it. I'll be, to give it an excellent. I really liked it so much. Ang galing. Ang galing niya. So okay, I'm so excited to listen to the third track, which is called Mic Test. Pero magkadikit.
Mic Test.
Ay! Nagbisaya siya, oh.
Wala pa.
Wala pa pala. Magdes asa ko mga Bisaya movie like this. It's hyper papa.
Okay.
Ang galing! Kendrick Lamar siya dito.
Oo nga. Wait, ang ganda ng production.
Ang ganda, grabe! Nag-Bisaya na siya.
In fairness, ang
Oh
ganda
my
ng production.
gosh. I love it! I love it! Oh my gosh!
Hit it, hit it, hey, hit it.
Hit it, hit it, hit it. Let me say oh, oh.
His voice is so low.
Grabe, ang akustikin! Oh my gosh! Ay, napapahubad na siya ng damit, oh.
Para ka nasa bar na nagpapapawis.
Asa ko mo. Asa daw yung mga Bisaya niya.
I'm Vincent. Tapos na.
Mic drop. Ang galing.
Tapos na!
Hindi siya sanay sa mga ganitong tracks.
Hindi ako sanay.
Na mga ganitong tracks lang.
Hindi naman, parang lahat lahat patis. Kaya yung nakukuha akong vibe, parang lahat magbi-build up to something, tas biglang, tapos na. Maybe
In
it's
a music
not for
sense.
me. It's not for me.
It's not for you.
Parang same na naman siya sa first two song
Gets.
ng Atake na parang
Pero I'd love to get your take kasi mahilig ka makinig kala Kanye, kala Kendrick Lamar eh. I think ano yung nakikita mong difference between the two? Bakit mas bet mo yung ganong hip-hop
siguro
rap
kasi
compared
yung
from
mga
this?
ganun, yung mga halong pop
Mm-mm.
tendencies.
Yeah.
Na parang bigla may chorus na catchy.
Gets.
Oh my gosh, guys! Am I biased?
Hindi naman. I think it's just preference. Contrary to you, I really like this.
Talaga?
Grabe, vibe na vibe. Sobrang ganda ng vibe. I really like na lahat ng everything about him, parang tinatry niya talaga yung infuse. And for this to be his debut EP, inintroduce niya talaga yung sarili niya, parang asan yung mga Bisaya, asan yung, alam mo yun, asa akong mga Bisaya. And he's really proud to be where he comes from, and yung sarili niya talaga, he really knows his self-identity at yun yung pinapresent niya every time na may naririnig tayong tracks. And ang hirap gawing ang hirap gawing cool nun And I have to say na sobrang cool talaga siguro ni Ken. So what would you rate it?
I would rate it based on my own opinion and based sa kinalakihan ko music. Kinalakihan ko music, hindi ko soft.
Soft fail siya.
Oh, I'm so sorry,
It's
Ken.
okay.
Mahal pa rin naman kita.
That's okay. I think, lang talaga siya. It's just preference.
No?
And ako, I would give this another excellent. Ang galing talaga nito. I don't give excellent that much, pero ang ganda na to. Sobrang ganda na to. So we're now into track 4.
Track 4, ilang tracks ba to?
These are 6 tracks.
Okay,
So,
track
patapos na.
4! Patapos na tayo.
Si Drink Smoke, okay.
Okay, let's hear it.
Ay! Ang ganda
Okay,
ng beat,
okay.
Okay, this is more Filipino influenced.
Ang the dark nung imagery.
Oh my gosh!
Pares tayo, Ken. I drink, I smoke. Oh, nag-shit siya. Explicit content. Wait. I think I like this song.
Para siyang American hip-hop artist. Nagbaga na ng boses siya, no?
Oo. Yeah. 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 Wait, ang vulnerable ng lyrics.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Hey, 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 hey. Hey,
Oh my
hey.
God.
Hey.
Oh my gosh, Ken. Do you need help for me? For me.
From me. Oh my gosh, sobrang ano.
Yes, Leos.
My gosh. Guys, ang ganda na to. Ako muna, I think apart from the first three tracks, ito yung parang narinig ko na, okay, I would hear this I would hear this sa mga hip-hop artists dito sa Pilipinas. And, ayun, it was nothing special, but he made it so personal. He made it so vulnerable. And I have to give him props for that. Kasi, sobrang laki ng fanbase ng SB19 to open up yourself to that huge fanbase that loves you. Mahirap yun. Mahirap to really open up. Ikaw, what do you think?
I think yung pinaka nagustuhan kong part ng song na to is yung lyrics. Yung lyrics. Pero production-wise, musically, is not too different sa mga first 3 tracks na napakinggan natin. First four tracks na napakinggan natin. I feel like, there could have been something like more pasabog pa vibe. Same vibe siya sa first, sa mga first few songs na napakinggan natin eh.
Okay.
Doon lang ako sa lyrics na parang, ay, oh my gosh, ganun pala yung, niya, pinagdadaanan niya ngayon. Doon ako napaano sa lyrics, pero would I add it sa playlist ko, tapos papakinggan ko on a regular basis? On initial listen, feeling ko hindi pa rin.
So what would you rate it?
Feeling ko soft pass. I think it's better than yung mga songs na napakinggan natin. Parang it's better for me.
I have to disagree because this one I give it a parang soft pass lang yun.
Soft pass lang.
Oo. Kaya nandito lang kami if you ever need a friend.
And if you need someone to drink or smoke with, I'm here.
Just mention us, 2K BFFs. You know the name. You know the place. Okay, let's listen to it.
Okay.
It's gitara, ha?
May pa Spanish vibes, Latin vibes.
Yeah! Tapos biglang drop beat. Sabi sa'yo eh! Ayan na yung R&B mo!
Parang ito na yung nahanap kong yung onting something na sexy voice. Sige.
Okay gosh, that was the first 5 seconds
Okay.
lang ha. Sobrang ganda.
Siya ba to?
Siya yan! Naka-edit lang yung boses. Ganda.
Oh my God! Okay, I like this song. Ito yung nahanap ko.
Boy, you let me take it.
Rolling on my mind, just stop it.
A view was so confused. Every single
Ang sexy niya.
scene, yeah. Tryna save myself, yeah.
Okay, bias ko tong song kasi medyo R&B vibes siya.
Swear we gotta do this to
Ganda ng harmonies.
me.
First time natin nakarinig na ganitong harmony. Sabi niya. Sabi ng producer, how many voices can you do? Sabi ni Ken, yes.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Grabe, te.
You know I can take,
Kinakausap ka niya!
you know I can take.
I can take it, Ken.
Ganda ng part na to. Parang naghahalo-halo lahat ng boses niya.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Hadlok na kung valid.
Shit. Kinakantahan ka ng Bisaya.
I gotta.
Ano ba gusto mong makita, Ken?
Kung pahula dali na rin. Ay kahadlok na kung valid.
Parang Justin Bieber yung production.
Yeah, I
Ah.
have to agree. Parang Yukon yung boses, no?
No? Pati yung production.
Yeah. Yeah. Ah.
off night.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ang bongga niyan, te.
Ang gandang
So sexy.
ang gandang element na to. Kasi ngayon lang natin siya ulit narinig. Ay! Ang galing! You like this song? Okay. Your thoughts?
Oh my gosh! Finally, may narinig ako ng onting spark. Onting spark. Ano, parang ito na yung favorite ko na so far. May nagustuhan na akong kanta na gusto ko talaga. Ito. Kasi, siguro bias lang ako. Kasi medyo R&B siya. No? Tapos ang dynamic ng voice, ng production, ang dami nangyayari. May mababang boses, may nag-R&B, may parang Teletubbies yung boses. I just want to...
Teletubbies.
Ganun pala, boss. Anyways, bet ko siya. Feeling ko ito yung song na babalikan ko sa EP na to.
Yeah.
So far. How about you, girl? What you
Same
think?
thoughts. Though I thing na ma-add ko, Complex EP, aside from his personality being complex, pinakita niya rin na parang ang dami talaga nagagawa ng boses niya.
Yeah, agree.
Yun nga, yung talents niya sobrang complex. And from all the tracks, he wrote all the songs. Siya lang mag-isa. So,
Oo nga, siya lang nalita
magaling. Magaling si Philip John Suson. So, we'd have to give this a...
I think this deserves an excellent.
For you.
me. Oo, I like it. Saka parang alam ko napakinggan na ata natin to, di ba? Pero vocals
right.
lang.
Oo, vocals lang.
Bet ko. I like it. It's an excellent for me. I would listen to it again.
Ako I'd have to go somewhere with pass lang muna. For now.
Okay.
Kasi nga siguro napakinggan na natin. And apart from that, siguro okay siya. It wasn't as groundbreaking as it is siguro, but yeah, sobrang galing ni Ken dito.
Okay. Fair. Okay, we're down to our last
Oh my
track.
gosh, last track na.
Last track we have Criminal Chat. Last track we have,
Ay, Stray Dogs! Okay, I like it.
di ba ano yan? K-pop.
Stray Kids yun. Yeah. Okay. Let's go, Ken. Let's go, Ken.
Look at this change, look at this drip, look at this face.
Dauntless is fearless.
Look at those eyes, look at yours, won't even miss a day. You decide.
Okay.
Night, hey, I decide.
Okay.
Scam.
Karambas.
Mommy, daddy, feel like I'm just swagging naughty.
Sabi, anong kinanta niya nung concert? Criminal?
Feeling ko something from Seven Sins.
Don't compare yourself to me. I'm on my throne, no.
Okay, I'm just gonna vibe to this song.
It's a vibe lang, no?
Gusto ko yung production.
Telling Billy Graham,
Dung. Parang xylophone.
extra unique. If you hate it, you want a minute.
Ang cute ng parang xylophone sa background niya. Dun,
On
dun,
it, so I'm on the
dun,
bell, man.
dun.
Parang nagiging na lang
Kanta.
yung boses niya.
Instrument.
Oo, parang nagiging lang, overpower siya ng
The production.
Okay, let's go. Okay. That could have had a better transition, pero okay lang.
Woof.
It was like a siren,
Hindi niya
parang may
sinabi
break.
yung F word. F-in daw.
Get 'em awake, get 'em awake. Used to be low.
Pero nag-shit siya.
Doing
Ano yung gumshe?
Gum shit. Doon ka na dun. Uy, ay. Ay, Stray Dogs.
So that was the last track? Okay, hindi ko rin siya nagustuhan. Right off the bat.
Ay, ito nice. The Stray Dogs, I think the Stray Dogs, feeling ko dito na siya naging, ano na sa akin, fell flat. Parang, wala na masyado nangyari, parang narinig ko na yan kanina, parang, alam mo yun, wala interesting na nangyari, though, yun, yung nakikita ko. Kasi parang,
Last
trap
trap
beat.
kasi, no?
Trap beat lang siya, tas nilagyan niya ng ano. Though, maganda yung may pasigaw-sigaw siya na effect, but I'd have to love more sound effects, parang, yung parang sana may siren, sana may bark ng aso, gano'n, parang, something to change up the mood. Parang bigla nagka-beat drop, dub.
Gets.
Di parang di ba ginagawa yun nila nila Kendrick Lamar like sa Luther. Like hindi naman kailangan ng intro if this world were mine, boom, pasok.
If this world were mine.
Para to make it hindi lang siya one note. Doon yung hinahanap ko dito. I think it would have helped kung na-spice up pa. Ikaw, what do you say about this track?
For me, since this is the last track, parang syempre nag-expect pa rin ako na, ay, pasabog na dapat to. Dapat ito na yung song na magso-solidify na matatandaan mo yung EP na to.
Yeah.
But, parang 6 tracks in, ayun nga, same sa thoughts mo na parang, I heard this before. What's something new na hindi ko pa napakinggan dun sa previous tracks. Sayang, parang mas bet ko yung Criminal as a last track siguro. So for me, this song, hindi siya super memorable for me. This song was, again, it's still not for me. Pero I can see people na magugustuhan to. But for me, it's a soft fail as well.
I have to agree.
Sorry, Philip.
Pinalapakan kahit sa fail. Though okay na rin siya. May kulang nga lang na something. But, yun, that was the last of the album.
So, what did you think sa EP as a whole?
Ako, it's a great introduction to separate Felipe from Ken
Yes, agree.
sa SB19 kasi he's really his own artist. Ang galing niya. Parang I wouldn't expect this from someone na ganito ka detailed, ka well thought of yung debut EP niya, and it really sounds cohesive. I give them that. And ayun, I love everything about this, the storytelling, the packaging of it all, calm, tas may point, flex EP. I like it. Ikaw, what can you say about this EP as a whole?
For me, okay, good points muna tayo. I think Philip really created a cohesive EP. Nakikita ko yung direction na gusto niya puntahan, which is somewhere in the lines of parang hip-hop, rock, R&B, na parang trap beat na music. Okay, yun yung gusto niyang sound. I respect it na gawa niyang consistent across 6 songs. But, again, music is, music taste is subjective. So, for me, this wasn't the type of EP na magugustuhan kong pakinggan ulit. So, for me, I didn't like it as much as, SB19's catalog. But again, iba kasi silang type of artist. And iba yung artist na gustong ipakita sa mundo ni Feli.
Yeah.
And I respect his sound, his music, but this EP, I feel like it's not made for me. I wanted to like it, pero yun, hirap.
So recap, ito yung mga rating namin sa mga tracks. Nandito sila. Tcharing! So, ayan. What's your favorite track?
Criminal, of course.
Criminal.
That's an excellent track.
Ako, I really like Mike Tess. I like it.
So, what did you guys think of this EP? Ano yung mga favorite nyo tracks? Ano yung mga tracks na hindi nyo masyado nagustuhan? Tell us in the comment section down below.
And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
At huwag
kalimutan that Felipe is a different person from Ken. And Felipe, that's his real name. And he is
Complex.
He's a complex person.
Bye.
Check guys, this is the bonus content. Ako naka-leather pants.
Ako, bigay to ni Matt.
Yan dapat isuot ko sa tayo na concert. May star kasi nga he's the rock
Star.
Ay, ang payat. Tapos ito, galing kay JM to. Ito naman yung galing kay JM, ito binili ko. What can you say guys?
Did you like it? Bye.